So Rosalie there, so she Rosalie on the green grass, eh? I let her on the green grass. She want like a slut dog. Guys, anybody could have fucked Rosalie. All the man with Rosalie Derrick. The man have stopped beat Rosalie. We gotta learn to cook. Rosalie done no ambition. Rosalie have a dog shit. Everybody know Rosalie at town. I'm like a dirty sell pussy girl. Rosalie, let me tell you about Rosalie. When Rosalie used to sell peanut, Rosalie can't even turn up, keep up her peace. Rosalie piss up herself. Rosalie run from the blood out of water, run come in a path, become peace. Rosalie piss up herself. Them have to buy drugs, this Rosalie. Rosalie run like a dead girl. You may tell you, everybody know Rosalie, say Rosalie sell pussy. Rosalie sell pussy or water for $500. And when Rosalie done, Rosalie go around a mall, he was circle, walk up on with the gear boy them. Rosalie can't talk to nobody. Rosalie are rubbish. Rosalie are rubbish cleaner. Rosalie in the garbage bin. That dog shit Rosalie. We put Rosalie in the garbage bin. We clean up the rat them out of Rosalie pussy. We take out all the cabbage out of Rosalie pussy. Rosalie want like a dead wall. Nobody know Rosalie. As soon as Rosalie come and take it, Rosalie is smarty. The second hand, the dirty bag we have where them say they give the Gucci bag, them go your friend for Gucci bag and the boot you get. You see you're frightened with your boot. You walk and I can people forget money. See them? Jaden and I don't video because you walk and I calling people. You saw them not calling every day. Yeah, when Slim I talk to you, may I put on my clothes to come? You dirty ass, you see them in a kind of junk. Nobody no want you. You slime, you have to push up on the people them. Dead dog, junk, suck hood Rosalie. Rosalie suck hood like a dog. Tomorrow you must have got a rubbish part, pick up beg the people them. Beg because you walk and beg, you must go. Remember when you do on Instagram, Shema you should feed a beer Batman feed you. Batman feed and clothes your pit and pick them as cold and want the blood clot, you don't want the blood clot in Rosalie. Rosalie go suck your mother, Rosalie you walk and take your mama man. Rosalie your dog shit, you see her? See Rosalie walk and take her mama man. Rosalie a dog shit. Rosalie a puppy dog. She a crabble out because Rosalie suck cocky like a dog. Batman to fuck Rosalie. Take it to fuck out her hole and give her 5 bits. Take it cock up in a rear and fuck her out hole. Take it to Derrick. Make Rosalie move her blood clot. A she mash up Britney. You know the pastor man say, take the red clot from her bed. Rosalie take the red clot from her your blood clot bed. Leg up Britney. Rosalie leg up Britney because you walk over upon Britney. Rosalie leg up Britney. You have the red clot and your bed. You see the pastor man come say you have a leg of Britney, you dog shit yo. Big stinking girl. Take it, cock up your ass like in a railway room, and this time and give 5 bits, your dog shit, your loud clot. Go with it, you're dead dog. You're dead dog, you're clean. Take it cocky like a dog. Dog stinking pussy, Rosalie, go clean out your dirty house. Your house become frozen. Your house become frozen of blood clot. Dog shit, take it fuck out your hole. Come tick. Make Rosalie come suck off your cocky, cause you walk and suck like a dog. Dog shit, dirty Rosalie, take it fuck out your hole in a railway going drunk crow.